Hi all. So today we'll discuss about the RF optimization, Ericsson system KPI syllabus. Okay. My voice is audible? Okay, no problem. So I am Ericsson certified trainer. I work long time in Ericsson and we are giving training long years. So right now Ericsson is hiring more number of engineers. Okay, so it's good time to learn and grow. Okay, so we are Ericsson certified trainer having good expertise on Ericsson technology, Ericsson system and all. So mainly course objective, understand the Ericsson specific RAN architecture and deployment models, master key KPIs, counter and interfaces for performance analysis and optimization, perform advanced troubleshooting and optimization of accessibility, retainability, mobility and throughput. So this is the main four pillar of every technology, either 2G, 3G, 4G or 5G. So this is the main KPI, accessibility, retainability, mobility and throughput. So table of content. So we'll discuss this stuff about the foundation. We'll make first foundation. So we'll start with the LT basics. Then we'll jump into the 5G basics. Then we'll discuss about the VoLTE and VoNR. So LT and 5G is only for the data. There is no voice facility. So here we are placing IMS for voice solution into the LT and 5G. So VoLTE worked on LT and VoNR worked on 5G. Then we'll discuss about the fourth topic, counter level optimization. Once we know the counter, so we have to work with the parameter tuning. Then we'll discuss Ericsson specific features. Then we'll discuss Ericsson KPIs and its category, tools and lab, duration and mode, who should attend the training. Then QXGM overview, how to log in the site. So everything we'll discuss into the detail. In LTE basics, generally we'll start the LTE key features, LTE network element, architecture, node functionality, LTE channel, LTE call flow, CSFB call flow, SRBCC call flow, LTE layer 3 analysis, LTE KPI counter. So there is L1, L2, L3. So NAS and RRC is a part of layer 3. So we'll discuss it to take the help of this tool. We'll take LTE, we'll take 5G call flow by taking this tool help. So whenever we are going to discuss about the L2, it's called PDCP, MAC, RLC, and L1, it's a total physical layer. So we'll give some understanding about the layer and all. Ericsson ENM command. How to log in the site, how to check live alarm, how to check parameter live, how to do troubleshooting and tool, real-time case analysis, soft optimization process, how to use MyCom. So every topic we'll discuss in the practical way. Okay. So how to check the alarm? We can see here ALTK. So there is no major alarm. So we have to check the cell status. Okay. So this type of learning you will get. Now we are moving into the 5G basics. So we'll discuss about the deployment option in 5G. We'll discuss 5G key features, NSA and NSA model description, 5G node functionality, 5G NSA, NSA call flow, 5G KPI, 5G counters, 5G parameters, and its case analysis. Why we are discussing case analysis? Because in interview they will ask about the day-to-day activity. So whatever the case analysis we have to discuss, we have to describe into the interview. तो ये आपको हेल्प करने वाला है इंटरव्यू में. ओके सो मैं वही डिस्कस करूंगा. These are most important aspect in interview. Then we'll discuss VoLTE and VNR basics. This comes through IMS. So there is a one protocol, SIP session initiation protocol, call flow, VoLTE KPI, VoLTE parameter, and its case analysis. How to enable VoLTE, how to enable the VNR, we'll discuss into the detail. And for counter level optimization, Ericsson counter description based on counter parameter optimization, post CR, then pre and post analysis. CR, change request. What is pre, what is post, so we'll discuss into the detail in our session. So we'll discuss how to make the CR against each cell. Then we'll discuss parameter tuning, soft parameter optimization based on actual case study. So what is soft parameter optimization? We'll discuss. Suppose we are sitting in India, we are looking some operators, US operator like Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, or many more operators after mergers, few operators in US as compared to India. So while sitting in India, we are just changing the parameter because the sending of the rigger engineer, the cost is high as compared to India. So mostly engineers are doing soft optimization process. Ericsson features automation, neighbor relation, efficient DRX, DTX for connected UE, interfrequency load balancing, interfrequency LTE handover, data forwarding and inter-entity handover, mobility control at poor coverage, multiple radio bearer per user, PCI conflict, PDCC power boost, maximum cell range. So how to check the cell range? Get dot cell range. Okay, so how to change the cell range? Also you will show you. No problem. Now we'll discuss about the carrier aggregation, load management strategy, layer balancing, automatic neighbor relations, CSFBS, RBCC, many more 100 plus features in Ericsson. So we'll discuss the most important features with the expectation of interviewer based on expectation of interviewer. So some feature listed here: basic intelligence connectivity, capability aware ideal mode control, enhanced PDC CSLA, carrier aggregation, dynamic SL selection, 5DL, 4DL, 3DL, ANDC trigger, and many more. So also we'll discuss MIMO, beamforming, and all. KPI category, accessibility optimization, retainability optimization, mobility optimization, throughput optimization. Tools and lab, KPI dashboard, KPI, Ericsson OSS KPI, call flow and trace. Also introduce PCAP as of now for upcoming batch. Then parameter audit. Duration and mode. So total duration is 2 months. We are giving online live sessions, self-paced videos on. We are the corporate trainer, so giving training in corporate, some companies as well. So mainly on weekdays we are giving the corporate training. So we have only weekend batch, which is suitable for you guys already because you are already working. And after the learning, you get certification from the ATS. Certification is not useful because if you have skill, you will describe. Okay. In interview, they will ask the about the skill, not certificate. So it's good time for learning. Who should attend the training? Those who are struggling into the field, drive test engineer, are doing drive test 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, 6 year, 7 year, 8 year. It's a very bad. Only 1 year is sufficient to understand about the collection of logs and colors, not required to waste your time into the field. Okay. RF coordinator, those who are mentoring Gadi Ghoda engineer, also spoiling life in third party. Report maker, those are creating colorful road map. Also, they can opt this training because you all guys are working in third party. You are not getting much salary, even not on mentioned date. If you are struggling in telecom, must join this course. Must join this course. It helps to change your life within a month or 2 months. RF field engineers, network performance engineers, telecom project manager, Ericsson network engineer, those who are upskilling in 5G and R, also they can opt this course. So guys, we are comfortable in Hindi and English both the language based on candidate requirement. We are answering in Hindi. Otherwise, we are focusing on English language because we in our batch out of India candidate also join. Okay, so we are not limited to India. We are giving training overseas as well. And also English is a good communication language. It's easy for understanding. It's also help to take the interview. So it's good for the learning. So those who are struggling, they can join. Also, we are giving the quick game overview. The one live session will be there. Also, we'll discuss about the how to log in. Also, we'll discuss about the how to fetch the report, how to make the template, how to use the previous template. Then in bonus, you will get not 300, 500 plus questions and answers. If you know everything and you are not mentioning in your resume, nobody will select you. So also we are helping to make your resume. Minimum 3 interview after the course completion. We are here to support till selection. In last year, placed 150 plus selection in Ericsson. In last 3 months, placed 39 selection. That's good for learning and growth. Thank you very much for watching this video. Those who are interested, you can connect our team. Batch will start by 12th April. We are not charging thousands of fees. The minimum charges apply for this training. 2 months duration of learning. Okay. And Ericsson is hiring 300 plus engineer in next 2 months. So it's a good time for learning. Those who are struggling, those who are wants to upskill in telecom, they can opt this course. Thank you very much.